Hello brothers, sisters, yeah, do this boy Cookie Racing that when I'm back again with another interesting video. But before we start, if today is your first time watching, I welcome you on board. This video is to give you an insight or an idea what fishermen go through. I mean the struggle, the agony, the pain they go through before they get us fish to consume. Charlie, it'll be easy. These ladies are the fishmongers, you know, they're waiting for the fishermen to come so that they can destroy the fish inside this pond. This is Winneba, locally known as Simpa or Efutu. Yeah, the land is known to be fishing land, seaman's land. To be a fisherman is not an easy thing. You must be a man enough to carry that job. Yeah. You must be fearless, brave, and on top of it all, very strong enough. Because the energy required to pull that canoe to the shore, man, it's not a child's play. I grew up with these people because I used to sell ice water here when I was young, and I have never tried pulling the canoe before. On this day, I didn't know what came over me. I wanted to show them I'm a man enough. I nearly fainted. Jack, it's in the my bobo. Hey, who's in Ario? It's coming dumb. Hey, Bogan is coming. Okay, I can't think of one pusu. Pushing or pulling the canoe to the shore is done manually. Charlie, manpower. And those without the outboard motor has to paddle the canoe very fast to cross the waves. Charlie. Hey. One of the toughest challenges for those fishermen without outboard motor is the waves. Anytime the waves comes, it pulls the canoe back, and that makes the job very difficult. Charlie. Hey. And after all this struggle, if they don't get enough fish, it tends to be anger, and the price of the little fish that they get also goes up.
ewo